Chef Boyardee and sinigang, or Chef Boyardee and steak. Right, Kai? That's the best. Here's, well, you want another piece of steak? That's the best. No fat on it either. That's all meat, man. So when you eat that, you become strong, be the best baseball player. Or you like basketball too, right? Which one you like better? How about football? Football is good too, man.
Yeah.
But one thing when you get older, you promise me, you're gonna be a Michigan State fan, not University of Michigan. Michigan State, okay? And Texas A&M. Those are the things you can do, not Michigan. Michigan State and Texas A&M is good. Right? Okay. All right, just for that, I'll give you another piece of steak. Hold on.
How come your phone could stand up?
I don't know. It's kind of cool, huh?
Yeah.
Michigan State, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Bribe the kid with steak and Chef Boyardee. It's all good. One last piece, man. You're eating all my steak. But that's okay. I'm full. Huh?
What?
You can.
You're full.
I'm full. This is leftover from yesterday, buddy. You can eat a lot, dude. That's awesome.
Then me time that.
What?
Then me time you're done.
Sorry, you're not supposed to be talking with your mouth full. Mom will kill me for that. You still want a piece of steak? Still want any more steak? Dude, you still want more steak? No, you sure? Alright. Alright, we're signing off. Say Michigan State.
Michigan State.
Texas A&M. Boo Michigan. Boo Michigan. Say boo Michigan.
Michigan.
Okay. We're all good. I love you, little Kai Kai.